How to find Twitter username and password. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to find Twitter username and password in case if you forget. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, open Google on your device. Tap on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen and you need to sign in to the particular account where you have saved your Twitter username and password. Tap Manage your Google account, then you will land on this interface where you have to simply swipe and select Security. Scroll down and locate Password Manager and tap Manage Password. After that, you need to scroll, and here we have successfully saved the Twitter account's password and username. Simply open it, and here you enter your lock screen password, or you need to enter the fingerprint. After that, you can easily copy the username as password and easily enter on that login section and log into your account on Twitter. That is how we find Twitter username and password. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.